I've been living on the West Coast on and off for 13 years, and the environment is just really special. Definitely a work-life balance, being able to do yoga in the morning, drive through a national park to get to work, and go surfing after work. You know, just keeping active within nature and also having a beautiful place to work every day. My name's Melissa Hardy, and I'm a spa practitioner here at the Ucluelet at the Ancient Cedar Spa. Beautiful scenery every day I come to work. Also great staff, great teams that I've worked with here. I love to do yoga and I love to surf, and I am doing some ceramics as well, which is quite a hobby of mine. It's creative and it challenges me a lot. It also is quite a meditation in itself, so working on the wheel, you're very focused, and I love the process of it. I love the creation, and then the painting, the firing, the glazing, all of the different stages it takes to create a piece. I love providing relaxation to people. I love reducing stress in the body and the mind. Lives are very busy, and I love to be able to hold that space so people can really just relax and connect with their breath and unwind.